Hi everyone and welcome to Cone Turkey. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to show you what you'll be getting from the library and what materials you will need at home. So what you'll get from the library is a piece of paper with an outline on it. So a template to cut out, which is going to be your cone actually for your turkey. You'll get some feathers to glue on, a couple of eyes, and then a little piece of orange paper for the beak. And what you'll need at home are scissors and some glue. I'm going to use the white school glue just because the feathers stick a little better with that. So what you're going to do is first cut out the template. So just follow the outline. Doesn't have to be perfect. And all right, so I got that out. Move my scrap out of the way. And you won't need your scissors again. And I'm going to show you first. You're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to use just a little bit of one side. So this is where you'll put your glue. You're going to turn your cone and then make sure the sides kind of meet up. So I'm going to take my glue. It's okay if your sides don't meet up perfectly. It gets a little hard with the piece of paper that's cut like this. And then make sure that they fit. And then you want to place one hand inside and then just press down and make sure it sticks. So hold that for a few seconds. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can see mine shows a little bit right there, but that's okay. So, okay. So I think this is good. Maybe hold it for a couple seconds longer. And then I'm going to glue my feathers on. All right, so there's my cone. And then you could either put glue on your cone or put glue on the feathers, whatever you think is easier. This might get a little messy, like I said. So there's one feather. Put another, and you want to put these on the back where you folded your paper so that the front part is where you're going to put your eyes and your beak. And then put some on other feather. And I'm putting them up so that they can be seen from up top. And then last one here. And then you can lightly press it to stick it on there. All right, so I'll show you the other side. And then this will be the front side. So I'm going to stick my eyes on there first and then glue my beak on. So I will need to cut out, I was kidding about the scissors, you will need them one more time just to put your beak on there. Because Miss Lorena did forget about the beak, so there are the eyes. And then I'm just going to cut my beak into a triangle. So there's my triangle. You can make it bigger or smaller. Put some glue on the back. And it's up to you. If you want to, you can put your beak on like I did, or you can try to make it stick out. But there you go. There is your cone turkey. So I hope you had fun making this, and I hope hope you stop by the library and grab your supplies.